Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to make meal prep a breeze, the Pro Onion Chopper, a multifunctional 13-in-1 veggie slicer. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Pro Onion Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to chop, dice, slice, and grate a variety of vegetables and fruits. With its innovative design and multiple functionalities, it aims to streamline your cooking process while saving you time and effort in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this chopper is its 8 interchangeable blades. These blades allow you to achieve different cuts, whether you need thick or thin slices, dicing, shredding, or even grinding. Made from heavy-duty 420 stainless steel, these blades are rust-resistant and maintain their sharpness for crisp, smooth cuts every time. This means you can easily tackle everything from onions and tomatoes to carrots and garlic without worrying about dull blades slowing you down. Another great aspect of the Pro Onion Chopper is its built-in food container. This design innovation frees up valuable countertop space, allowing you to chop food directly into a spacious 1.2-liter container. This feature eliminates the need for a separate cutting board and knife, reducing mess and preventing food from sliding off during the chopping process. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. The chopper comes with a matching scrubbing fork, letting you clean it in just a few minutes. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking but often finds meal prep to be a time-consuming chore, then this chopper could be a game-changer for you. It's also perfect for busy families looking to add more vegetables to their meals without spending an hour in the kitchen. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this gadget can simplify your cooking routine. Let's talk practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing a family dinner and need to chop up a salad quickly. With the Pro Onion Chopper, you can easily slice up cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions in no time flat. Or perhaps you're making a hearty vegetable soup. This chopper can handle large amounts of vegetables effortlessly, helping you get dinner on the table faster. It's also great for meal prepping, allowing you to chop ingredients in bulk and store them for later use. One thing that sets this product apart is its commitment to customer satisfaction. The Pro Onion Chopper comes with a lifetime warranty. If you encounter any issues, the company offers free live chat support, ensuring that your experience remains hassle-free. They stand by their product, promising to replace or refund if you're not satisfied. In summary, the Pro Onion Chopper is an excellent investment for anyone looking to make their kitchen experience more efficient and enjoyable. Its superior quality, innovative design, and multifunctionality make it an essential tool for cooking enthusiasts and busy families alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.